a YouTube star now, Gary.
I'm famous.
I'm gonna get this thing so dirty today.
Vlogging?
Oh yeah.
Big vloggers?
My 8 subscribers cannot wait for this video to drop.
2 slow guys going to ride for a day?
Yeah, one old guy, one young guy. Just a kid and his dad.
As long as I don't have to push you to start.
Yeah, no bum starts today, I don't think.
Head northeast on Thompson Road.
2.5 hours. Made it 72 hours later. We've done it.
Sand Mountain in all its glory. Go swimming after, Garrett. What do you think about that?
Polar plunge for a slow slap.
What is it? 39 degrees. It's brutal. Doesn't look bad. It will be dry.
Yeah, it's gonna be dry. For sure. I don't know, might not find parking.
I bet if there were a large race here, I'd get beat up, but for the practice days, it's perfect. See if she starts. Track's tough, huh?
Huh?
Pretty gnarly.
Yeah, it was this layout when I rode here last.
Yeah.
But I'm pumped up quick.
I know, me
I didn't
too.
really get a groove.
You gotta be going pretty fast to hit some of this stuff.
So what?
Some of the tables you gotta hit fast.
Yeah. The one track there jumping this way is not as long as it seems.
Huh.
But yeah.
Oh man. Oh. What do you think of
sounds
that?
pretty good. Huh? What'd you say?
What do you think of that?
It's not bad. It's kind of a kid track.
Yeah.
Not too bad. Thing sounds good. Thing sounds like it works pretty good.
Yeah, it's loud, huh?
It's a nice little kit.
This is Barsha's like Redbud kit
Oh, really?
without the Red Bull.
Who did it for you?
eBay graphics guy.
Yeah. Looks sick. Good. Now there's really not any jumps.
No.
Like it's just like it's almost like a training track.
Yeah.
It's not bad though.
All right, get a video. I want to try a start. Try a hair scramble, dead engine start.
Door.
Bike does not fire up immediately.
Nah. It sounded like it took a second.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back over there.
All right, yeah, I'll go over. See what Gary's got out here. It's tiring, dude.
It is tiring.
A lot of bike changes going on.
Just dialing it in. Dialing in the fork.
New forks drop.
Won't make me any faster.
No, it will. You know what will make me faster? This bad boy right here.
Scoop.
Going to the scoop.
A whole lot of scoop.
First lap on the scoop. Never tried one of these before. Eli Tomac likes it, I'll like it.
Like it?
Yeah, suck.
Huh? You don't like it?
No, the tire's good.
What'd you say sucks?
Yeah.
Oh, you say you suck?
I did it! I did it! Yes! I got it.
That looked good. Fucking did enough speed runs up to it.
I was scared. It's probably three-quarter throttle and third for me.
It's literally just cruising.
It's not like you have to boot it like crazy. I gotta go stiffer on my suspension, dude. Like that last lap, I got all fired up and started riding really hard, and I was just blowing through it everywhere.
Going too fast.
Too fast or too fat. I jumped right into the face of one of those. You know where you almost hit the tree? Yeah. Where if you cut the corner there, I jumped like too close to the tree and like half further than normal, but not a full bump. And I landed right in the face of one of them so hard.
Yeah, if you're not jumping to that first roller, it's like kind of a hard hit. Like if you're not jumping to that first roller out there, it's a super hard hit in between it.
Yeah. That dude rips.
Yeah.
Suspension setting feels nice. Dude, I got a gnarly speed wobble.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Might have been too stiff in the first then.
Back in there. Yeah.
Maybe you went a little
Like
too stiff.
after the table.
Backing out a couple.
I think the right setting is somewhere in between those two.
Look what that says.
Nice.
Perfect. Now I can't start my bike again. It's done.
Gotta leave it like that forever. Saw some guy out there on a white two-stroke. Just blew his doors off, dude.
Standing still, huh? This would be fun on this track would be fun on TTRs.
Yeah.
Like super fun.
I'm done. I'm gonna kill myself if I stay out any longer.
Get a little sketchy.
Yeah. Trying to double out, I bottomed out so hard and got a kick, swap right into the corner, and I almost went totally off the track and wadded it. Pretty good day.
Both healthy and going home.